Alright, welcome to the our 30 days coding challenge, and today we'll be working with palindrome number, and okay, this is number that read the same way when you read it backward, something like 121, 121. If you read it backward, it's still 121, 1001. Read it backward, it's still 1001, and 1881. If you read it backward, it's still 1881. So you're going to input a single integer, then output is still whether it's a palindrome number or not. So if you enter like 1001, you take 1001 backward. And if you enter like a given natural number 1100, you take 1100, is not a palindrome number. Alright, so give this a try by first just pause the video and give the challenge a try, and let me know what you have in the comment section. Then we dive into the solution of how to do this. Alright, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you're already watching day 9 in the Python challenge, that is not fair. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Code you through. Alright, so we'll start again with what you have already started with int. Okay, yes, n is equal to int, and now we are imputing, right? So let's go ahead and say impute. Just say enter a natural number. Okay, let me say enter a natural number right there. Okay, there's a typo there. So now if I say enter a natural number, okay, so now I've collected this natural number. What I want to do, my approach to this problem, is reverse this number. And how can I reverse this number? I have to convert it to a string first. Then when I convert it to a string, I want to reverse this string. So is that I can just say that n string now is equals to string n. So now then this string n, I can just immediately convert it, right? Then to reverse a string, you just do this, like yes, call it column. Why not? This is like you slicing a string, but here now you are slicing from beginning to the end, but in a reverse order. So now this is now we are getting the n string. So now we want to check if this n now, okay, now if string n now is the same thing as n string. If these two are the same thing, then we want to print out this is a palindrome number. So just go ahead and say right here, n is a palindrome. It's a palindrome, right? So we have it that way. Then otherwise, if it is not a palindrome, right? So I'm going to say print. Alright, right here. And here is not a. Alright, so that was short and neat as it comes. So just like few lines of code, we solve this challenge. So let's just run this and see. So it's not as complex as you think it was. So a question is, did you get it the first try? Yeah? And how was it? Were you able to get it? So don't forget that it's about problem solving. These challenges are building your muscle memory in recognizing problems and your approach to them. It's making you better. Just like mathematics, the more you solve math, the better you become at them. So if I should try 45 now, this is not a palindrome number. So let me run that again and try 55. This is a palindrome number, because if I read it backward, it's still a palindrome number. 121 is a palindrome number. And that is how it works. So that will be all for day 9. See you in the next video, day 10. Wow, day 10 will be 2 weeks already. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with Drew. Bye bye.